Today, I'm going to share with you an exact meal plan, both regular and vegetarian, that you can utilize to drop 20 pounds. This content comes from one of my most popular episodes called The Step-by-Step Guide to Losing 20 Pounds. I got a lot of great feedback that it was a really helpful episode, some constructive feedback as well. Most of it from you guys was friendly, but some requested a shortened version with less education behind the why of the meal plan. I like diving into the why and the science. I think it's important you understand why you're doing what you're doing, but I get it. Life is really busy. So I listened and I created this video for you. If you want more of an explanation, go visit that other episode. Folks also asked for a vegetarian meal plan, so I'm including this here as well in this video. I do find through my experience that following a vegetarian or vegan diet to lose weight and maintain muscle isn't the best for most people for a few reasons, and I would strongly advise following the regular meal plan if you can. I'm just giving the vegetarian one as an option for those who are not willing to follow the regular one. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to dive in. No science behind the reasons why I have these foods listed. Again, if you need that, go to the longer episode. So let's say you are a lady, a woman, and your target is 130 pounds. I'm going to give you two options of a regular meal plan, and then I'm going to go into two options for a vegetarian meal plan for the same 130 pound lady. And then I'm going to give 2 to 4 options for a guy as well. So stick with me, men, or fast forward. Okay, so for the lady, a breakfast could be 3/4 cup Greek yogurt, plain, full fat. That's really important. Full fat, plain Greek yogurt. 1 scoop of collagen mixed in and a sprinkle of berries. For lunch would be 4 ounces of some kind of animal protein like chicken or fish or turkey or red meat, steak. A salad, about 2 cups of salad or so, and then 2 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing. Snack might be an ounce of pork rinds. I like the brand 4505 with 2 tablespoons of guacamole. And then for dinner would be 6 ounces of fish with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and 2 cups of salad. Another option, in case you're like, oh, that sounds like it's delicious, but I get bored. Well, here's another option. For breakfast, you could do 2 full eggs with 2 ounces of ham and some veggies. For lunch, you could do 3 ounces of roast beef and 2 of the outer aisle cauli thins as a sandwich with 1 slice of cheese, some lettuce and tomato if you like that. For a snack, it could be 3/4 cup of that full fat plain Greek yogurt with about 1/4 cup of berries. And dinner would be about 6 ounces of a pork chop, but again, this could be any animal protein. 1 cup of butternut squash, a side salad, and a tablespoon of full fat dressing. Now for that vegetarian option, this is going to give you about 120 grams of protein. We have tried to reduce the carbs a bit because this is what I find really allows for successful weight loss and maintenance. Again, if you want to know the reasons why, go to that longer episode. One option for breakfast would be 2 eggs with 1.5 Morningstar breakfast sausage patties. For your mid-morning snack, about 2 hard-boiled eggs. For lunch would be about 6.5 ounces of Gardein plant-based chicken strips, some veggies, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of salad dressing. For snack, it could be a protein bar like Nugo Slim or Think Thin. And then for dinner, was going to give you about 30 grams of protein, which is 7 ounces of extra firm tofu with some veggies and 1 to 2 tablespoons of salad dressing. Another option for breakfast, because I want to give you some more options if you say, I don't want to have eggs all the time. Well, you could do 1.5 cups of full fat plain Greek yogurt with 1/4 of a cup of mixed berries for breakfast. For your mid-morning snack, 3/4 scoops of Orgain organic protein powder with water and ice and tablespoon of some kind of dietary fat. It could be a healthy oil, MCT oil. It could be some heavy cream. If you don't want to use water, you could use unsweetened almond or coconut milk as well. Then for lunch would be about 4 ounces of tofurkey deli meat with some veggies and 1 to 2 tablespoons of dietary fat. A mid-afternoon snack, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and dinner could be 5 ounces of Beyond Meat with some veggies and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your healthy dietary fat. So that's it for you ladies. Okay, so this is for a guy. Let's say your optimal healthy weight, your ideal healthy weight is around 180 pounds. Well, this meal plan is going to give you the amount of protein, calories, and carbs and everything that you need to get down to this healthy 180 pounds. So for breakfast, you could do 3 eggs with 3 ounces of ham scrambled in it with some veggies. If you like it, you can drop the veggies if you're not a veggie kind of guy. For your lunch, you you could do 6 ounces of protein with some kind of salad and 2 tablespoons of full fat dressing. And when I say 6 ounces of protein, again, it could be tuna fish or red meat. It could be a burger. It could be chicken, whatever you like. Snack in the mid-afternoon would be a protein shake of about 30 to 40 grams of protein worth. And I would suggest either some kind of whey protein or a beef protein isolate. I like the brand Equip is nice. And then for dinner would be 8 ounces of fish or pork chop or steak or chicken and some kind of salad with that and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or 2 to 4 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing. So another option of a regular meal plan if you want some variety for breakfast could be a cup of full fat plain Greek yogurt, mix in a scoop of collagen and put some berries on top. For your lunch, it could be 5 to 6 ounce burger with a slice of cheese and a lettuce wrap. For snack, it could be 3 to 4 ounces of some kind of meat, deli meat with cheese, or if you don't like deli meat, you can cook your own chicken or slice your own roast beef and add some cheese and some avocado to it. And then dinner again would be an 8 ounce pork chop, maybe a cup of butternut squash, and then a side salad with 2 to 4 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing. So now let's say you're a 180-pound guy and you're a vegetarian, which I would suggest that you do start eating animal meat. No, I'm not really kidding. But I would say, you're targeting around 170 grams of protein. So this is going to be a lot of this kind of processed vegetarian protein to get your protein higher and your carbs where they need to be. But here it is, in case you want to go this route. So for breakfast, it could be 3 eggs with 2 Morningstar breakfast sausage patties, a mid-morning snack of 3 hard-boiled eggs, a lunch of 8 ounces of Gardein plant-based chicken strips with veggies and 1 to 2 tablespoons of some kind of salad dressing, full fat, of course. And then a mid-afternoon snack of a scoop of Orgain organic protein powder with water or unsweetened almond or coconut milk with ice and some kind of 1 tablespoon of dietary fat. And then dinner would be 12 ounces of extra firm tofu with veggies and 2 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing. And here's your second option as a vegetarian meal plan for a guy who is targeting 180 pounds. 2 cups of full fat plain Greek yogurt with about a 1/4 cup of mixed berries, 1 bag of Quest protein chips for a mid-morning snack, 5.5 ounces of tofurkey deli meat, veggies, and 2 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing. For a mid-afternoon snack, probably 3 to 4 p.m. depending upon your schedule, about 3 hard-boiled eggs, of course with salt. And then dinner would be about 7 ounces of Beyond Meat veggies with 1 to 2 tablespoons of dietary fat. Remember, if you want more explanation, check out my longer episode for the step-by-step guide to dropping 20 pounds. This is just an example meal plan, and everyone is really different, so much so that each person truly requires a customized meal plan. But I hope this is a good just jumping off point for you. Always check with your doctor before shifting your dietary intake. And please note that following this meal plan should feel good. You shouldn't have hunger, no cravings, you should have better sleep. If you don't feel like this, then you're likely doing something wrong or you need something more customized for your body. I don't want you to say, this doesn't work for me. Instead, I really encourage you to dig in deeper to find out what needs to be tweaked or adapted for you. If you feel you need more support or want quicker results, you can always reach out to us at PhD Weight Loss. Okay, guys, as always, I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If so, please subscribe so we can impact more people in a positive way, and drop your comments below as I would love to support you as much as I can. Let me know what you think about these meal plans. I hope they help you. Share with others who you think would also find this content valuable. I'll see you next time.